Now, I talked about how enantiomers have the same physical properties, but diastereomers have different physical properties. So how do we actually resolve or separate enantiomers from each other? Again, this is very important, for example, for drugs where we only want one active form, one enantiomeric form of a compound and not the other. The way to separate via different interactions of enantiomers with chiral non-racemic substances is termed resolution, as I said. So separating enantiomers with another chiral substance is called resolution. One of the first known examples of this was by Louis Pasteur, who used a chiral ammonia salt and separated the enantiomers of tartaric acid. So he took tartaric acid, that's this right here. Notice it has two chiral centers. It is a chiral it has multiple stereoisomers, and there are two enantiomers that are mixed together, usually the RR and the SS form of this compound. The key to separating enantiomers is to use another chiral substance, and a chiral substance that is not a mixture of enantiomers. It just has one chirality center, and react it with the enantiomers. So here we're representing the enantiomers as a plus and a minus symbol. This is has to do with their R or S configuration and their rotation. So a rotation in a clockwise or anti-clockwise would be a plus or minus. So we have enantiomers, and we're going to add them with something that is chiral, but we only have one chiral center. When they react, they make a mixture, and this mixture is now a diastereomer. They are no longer mirror images of each other. They have a combination, in this case, of chiral centers that makes them, here we're going to be calling this plus plus and minus plus. So they have the same structure. They are in space differently oriented, and they are a mixture now of the original enantiomeric structure and an additional substance with one chiral center. Now, diastereomers are easy to separate. So we can easily separate these. They have different boiling points, different melting points. We can separate them through a variety of chemical means. And once we separate the diastereomer version, we then are going to remove the compound we originally added. This is called the resolving agent. Whatever agent we used that had a chiral center, we will then remove by chemical means. So it will separate, and you leave your original enantiomer plus the resolving agent in each case.